Hi, everyone. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share a potato chicken kebab or cutlet recipe. So simple and easy recipe, anyone can make it. Chicken 500 grams. Ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon. Soy sauce 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Water 2 cup. Mix. Cover and cook until water dry. Done. Chicken transfer to the plate. Shredded chicken with hand or use fork. Done. Butter 3 tablespoon. Onion 1 cup. Sauté 1 minute. Green chili 2 tablespoon. Ginger garlic 2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Sauté 1 minute. Add shredded chicken. Stir and mix. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Potato 1 cup, boiled and mashed. Mix. Ketchup 3 tablespoon. Coriander leaf 3 tablespoon. Mix. Done. Let it cool. Make a kebab. Follow the steps. Done. Breadcrumbs. 2 eggs. Milk 3 tablespoon. Beat it until combined. Chicken kebab deep with egg wash. Coat with breadcrumbs. All done. Time to fry. Fry until golden brown. Flip. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.